Black honey from the forest, deep black full of mystery and magic. Drops of kindness from a hidden nest. The sweet taste against all disasters. Black honey, the power of nature, deep feel like a prayer. Black honey, the mirror of life, flowing gently, warming the soul. In a small bottle, hidden blessings, a drop of magic like breaking through time and space. A unique taste, greeting the old taste, provides energy in cold weather. Black honey, the power of nature, deep feel like a prayer. Black honey, the mirror of life, flowing gently, warming the soul. In a small bottle, hidden blessings, a drop of magic like breaking through time and space. A unique taste, greeting the old taste, provides energy in cold weather. Black honey, the power of nature, deep feel like a prayer. Black honey, the mirror of life, flowing gently, warming the soul. Heals, smooths, gives energy, every drop is full of secrets. Black honey, a gift from heaven, inviting us to feel purity. Black honey, the power of nature, deep feel like a prayer. Black honey, the mirror of life, flowing gently, warming the soul. Thank you for everything, your incomparable deliciousness. Black honey, always a solace, in every drop happiness is stored.